subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Nokia has launched its new 5G smartphone called Nokia 8.3 along with the other two Nokia devices. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia 8.3 features a 6.81-inch Full HD Plus pure display with 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. The device packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Nokia 8.3 5G supports a Zeiss featured quad camera setup in a circular module, including LED flash on the rear. The quad rear camera includes a 64 megapixel main camera with f1.89 aperture plus 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 120 degree field of view plus 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, there is 24 megapixel camera under the hole punch with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box and it is the part of Android One program. The smartphone comes equipped by 4500 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the device also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication and it also has dedicated Google Assistant button. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 171.90 by 78.56 by 8.99 mm and it weighs around 220 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia 8.3 5G has been priced for 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant at €599, whereas the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage option is priced at €649. The smartphone will be available starting this summer in Polar Night color option. So, what do you guys think of this Nokia 8.3 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.